So you can open this one so you can park because this is the one that is available. It will be finished. Ah, okay.
This is based on the containers na corner lot.
Oh, okay. So exact same.
Yes.
Okay, so that corner one is exactly.
Nursery room.
Huh?
Nursery room.
Layuan na sa rin. Okay. Mas magaling sa layuan ko.
Ah, okay. Kaya nag-deal na ako sir sa aming kasing first na direct na grade. Naami po dito. Sold out na sila sa price mas but ang mga buyer is nag-retail.
Ah,
Kaya nag